Sizing is the size of mesh at that location. If you want to obtain more number of mesh, sizing should be low. So, size of mesh will be used less at sharp corner compared to smooth face. You can apply body sizing, face sizing, vertex sizing, edge sizing or vertex sizing. Firstly, I want to use body sizing. To generate sizing, right click on geometry or add mesh under outline, select insert and select sizing. I choose whole geometry and apply element size, select element size. Now it is 27. I want to change width 5. Generate mesh. And select mesh. As you can see, there are more mesh. When we look quality, orthogonal quality 0.19. If I delete this one, generate mesh, select this. As you can see, quality will be high. That means more mesh doesn't mean more quality. I want to add face sizing. For here, insert sizing. This is selected, apply it, and now I will again use 5, generate mesh. Go on mesh quality. Again, it is too small. I delete this one and I will add edge sizing at critical point, right click, insert, sizing. This edge is selected. I want to change this with 4, generate mesh. And look at quality 0.26. Now it is good. And again I will select edge sizing. You can change bias factor. Select bias factor, bias type, sorry, and I will select this one and define bias factor. Bias factor means ratio of maximum and to minimum age. Actually not age, bias. Generate mesh and as you can see there is more mesh compared to here. And vertex sizing can be applied, but it is not recommended for 3D shape. It is used for only 2D geometry. And I want to show you another important thing, that is inflation. It is used for boundary layer. Select inflation. Firstly, apply geometry, select whole geometry, apply it. Boundary face, there is wall here and here, apply it. Define maximum layers and grown rate, generate mesh. As you can see, there are boundary layer. If I change maximum layer, maybe 10, there are more boundary layer, but 5 is enough, I think. Generate. Select this and add new section plane. New section plane shows us inner of part, actually inner of mesh. I will generate plane by holding, and this window will open automatically. I selected plane, and you can change all elements, something like that. Okay, and you can change direction of plane and size. Now close this one. Before closing, delete this one if you forgot deleting. For example, I close this one. Add new section plane, select this and delete. After then I will close again.